Okay, students, now we're going to get started on your All About Me page. You should be on slide 7. Hopefully you have looked at slides 4, 5, and 6 for the instructions. So you need to click here on this page. When you click on this, it'll come up. So click on your link, and it will take you to this page right here that says Student Template, All About Me. What I need you to do is to scroll down, and I want you to click down here where it says Use Template. And as you can see right here, it says not to navigate away from the page after you click OK, or there could be errors, so just click OK. And this page should be pulled up. It should no longer say template so that you can work on it now. Now let me just show you something. When you go into your bulb now, it should show, let's see if I need to refresh mine. Yes, see how it says all student template about me? Now it's showing there in your bulb and you'd be able to get back to it. So let's go back to the page. I just wanted you to see that. So once you get to this page, this is the place where you'll put your cover image. You'll add a picture here. And this one we can delete it so that we can add our own picture. So we can add a cover image, find a picture. You can upload from your computer or you can upload from Google Drive. And I'll show you how to create a cover image in a bit. This is where you'll put your title. You can call it About Me, or you can give it a creative title. And I think I will call it Just a Little Bit About Little Old Me. Oh, I don't really like that. Presenting me, myself, and I. You decide your topic. As you can see, what's really cool about this is they've already given you some instructions. So I am not going to read all of this for you. Some of it we have already done, but here's, you'll want to take all this information out after you've used it. If you want to see a sample, you can click on this. But they've already given you some paragraphs. Hey there, I am, and then you would just type your name. So I could say, hey there, I am Lisa Pogue, a teacher at Roy City High School. When I am not teaching, you can find me with my family and my dogs. Now you don't have to just keep it like this, so you can add more to it. I'm not going to type all of this, but this is just a bare basic. I'll make a sample and post it so you can see it. It gives you an example. You could add a picture. You could tell about your family. You could tell about your successes. You do not have to have all of these categories. These are just some suggestions. You also don't have to use these exact paragraph frames. You can be creative. So it just depends on you, how much you want to add to it, and how much